Good day, my name is Marina Favit from South Africa and I'm on the Leadership Council with Onpassive. Today's date is the 17th of November 2020. How would you like to be in a business where you can earn residual income and not have to build a team, recruit or advertise? How about getting paid to use the products and services you are probably already using and paying premium prices for? Well, I'm excited to share this with you because I believe that you will be as amazed and excited as I was. We are approaching the 300,000 founding member mark rapidly and growing by around 1.5 to 2,000 members a day. Onpassive is not an MLM or network marketing company. We are a global IT company driven by the latest artificial intelligence and machine learning technology. Onpassive is currently valued at $3 billion US, which makes us a unicorn company. Now, in business terms, a unicorn company is usually a startup tech company which achieves in excess of $1 billion in revenue in their first 10 years of business, doing something that has never been done before. Onpassive will achieve this status within our first month of launch. The CEO of Onpassive is Mr. Ash Mufara, who has a master's degree in information technology and e-commerce, MIT. He is also a Harvard graduate in online business and marketing with well over 20 years experience in online business. He had a vision to use the internet to change the world back in July 2018, and he will achieve this with Onpassive and its founders. It's true AI with heart. A few facts. Never seen before, never done before technology. We have brick and mortar buildings. Our head office is in Orlando, Florida, USA, and the headquarters are in Bangalore, India, which is known as the Silicon Valley of India. And we have just extended offices to Hyderabad, high-tech city. By the end of December, we will be 1,000 staff members strong. Currently have about 600 and hiring about 75 new staff members a week. We are legal and fully compliant with our own legal department. You pay once to secure your founding member position with Onpassive for just $97 before the soft launch, and then the price will increase to $149 during this period. So act fast to secure the discounted price now before soft launch, which is happening any day now. We all become customers and resellers of the IT products and services once we launch. This will happen before the end of 2020, and then you only pay a one-time affordable price to have access to more than 50 products and services, all built from the ground up, which includes a unique OConnect webinar platform with no caps on hosts or attendees. You can have a one-on-one or up to 6,000 or 3 million. Absolutely no cap, with a Doodle whiteboard application. An HR management system, which will be called O-Staff. From payroll to sales reports and sales management, all information done in real time. The Academy is perfect for homeschooling, schools, colleges, universities, coaches and trainers, especially the situation we find ourselves in now, where social distancing and wearing masks is the new norm, and people are forced to work at home and study from home. AI-driven massive marketing campaigns, all done for you. We will have a VPN, which is a virtual private secure network. Bulk IP tracking, once again, never been done before. We also have the OBless, which is a crowdfunding platform to help fund your NPO, NGO, foundation or charity and getting eyes on them. That is what Onpassive will do for you. We have search engine optimism. Onpassive is always coming up with new state-of-the-art digital products with mass appeal. The company will drive traffic to you to build your business, and you never have to advertise ever. Onpassive will run massive marketing campaigns using artificial intelligence and machine learning for you, all inclusive of that one-time subscription to get customers signed up under you. Onpassive has a revolutionary, unique pay plan. You will be earning 6 to 8 digits commission in time. We will all get a 7-day free trial before activating our account as customers or resellers of the IT products at launch. We also get a website and domain branded to you during the 7-day free trial. One-time payment, and then you never need to worry about it again. You will earn while you sleep, as Warren Buffett says. If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. Onpassive is offering you exactly that. Earn while you sleep. Once out of pocket and the subscriptions come out of profit. This means that you will never need to worry about the monthly subscriptions, as the company has a system that allows them to deduct the next month's subscription from our commissions earned from customers they place under us. This is unheard of. There will be 2 wallets. One will be a funding wallet, and the O wallet will be your commissions earned in real time. Onpassive will have every tool you will ever need to be a success in business, online or offline. They will cater to individuals, corporates, governments, and large enterprises. All done for you, set and forget, just like a self-driving car. You'll earn residual income for life, which just keeps growing. Top 10 reasons to join Onpassive. You will be a founder of a high-tech information technology company driven by the latest AI, which will be a unicorn company, licensed and registered in 212 countries. You'll earn residual income for life. 100% hands-free, set and forget, and 100% success guaranteed. Targeted traffic to your website given to you by Onpassive. Onpassive builds your business and team for you. You'll be part of the beta testing and be in the inner circle of decision making. Pay once out of pocket and the subscription comes out of profit. You will benefit from the massive marketing campaigns 365 days a year. You'll have access to every tool you will ever need to be a success in business. And finally, you'll be able to leave a legacy you can be proud of and help turn poverty into prosperity, one step at a time, one person at a time, and one project at a time. If this is something that interests you, just ask for more information, to watch the webinar and presentation for Onpassive, to secure your founding member position before it closes to the public forever. Once we launch, there will be no more founding member positions. Ask the person who sent you this audio for their link so you can secure your founding member position today at either $97 or $149 if we've already entered our soft launch. We are in it to win it.